God does not play dice with the universe.
To make things clear, Albert Einstein wasn't referring to any personal God in his quote. He was just using God as a metaphor. Because for Albert Einstein, dice represent of randomness and predictability of people's life.
Concepts presented by Pierre-Simon de Laplace are analytical theory of probability. It states that a single roll of dice is random, but if you roll it several times, there are patterns created from it. Everything is predicted by numbers and calculation, but there is a flaw. Heisenberg said, the position and velocity cannot be determined at the same time.
Chaos theory is a branch of mathematics which is sensitive to initial conditions. Chaos when the present determines the future, but the approximate present does not approximately determine the future. This behavior is also known as deterministic chaos or simply chaos. The theory was summarized by Edward Lorenz. The theory formed the basis for such field of study as complex dynamical system, edge of chaos theory, and self-assembly processes. In common usage, chaos means a state of disorder.
Prediction. There is a part in the chapter, it where they use prediction, and defined it into two things. One is foretelling the future, and the second is describing in advance what the outcome of an experiment will be if you think mathematically. The second phrase or second definition is most used by mathematicians.
Period doubling cascade is like multiply the things by 2 in interpretative manner. Next is Feigenbaum number. It's a two mathematical constant which express ratios in diagram for a linear map. So, it's kinda related to each other. These are the main concepts that were discussed in chapter 8. But, there are also some concepts, but most of it for scientific use, not for mathematical reason. We will end our presentation here. Thank you for listening.
I never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement, and I'm reading it slow so I can